dou u by dou t, that is equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. Dou u by dou t, that is equal to dou square u by dou x square. Origin of these two equations, we have c square equal to 1. Second step, a metal rod of 8 cm has boundary conditions. So boundary conditions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಏನು boundary conditions? So u of 0 comma t equal to 0 degree Celsius and u of 8 comma t equal to 5 degree Celsius. First column 0, last column 5. Aita? The initial temperature distribution is also given. So u of x comma 0 equal to x into 8 minus x. So solve the heat equation using h equal to 2. Using that value, you have to find the values of x. K equal to 1. Using that values, you have to write the values of y. The values of x. So the initial value, look at the initial condition, the boundary condition. So it is 0 to 8. So the value of x is from 0 to 8. So it starts with 0. And what is h? H equal to 2. So you have to use h equal to 2 heap size. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Aita? And to write the values of y, you need to make use of the step size k. So what is k? It is 1, which is given in the question. So y equal to 1 alva. So look at the initial condition. So here y equal to 0. So 0 in the shurvagate, and we need to we have a range of this t value. So it is from 0 to 3 with the step size 1. So yenagate 0, 1, 2, 3. And the very important thing is we need to find the alpha value. Okay, how can I calculate alpha value? So kc square by h square. This is the formula. This is the formula. So what is k here? K equal to 1. C square is also 1. What is h? 2. So 2 square enagate 4. 1 by 4. Calculate 1 minus 2 alpha. So 1 minus 2 into 1 by 4. 1 by 2. Now let us write the two-way table. Okay. So let me write x value here and let me write t value here. X value in barutta ide namge 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Next t value ತಗೊಂಡು t value in ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0, 1, 2 and 3. So first look at the boundary condition. The boundary condition is given. So u of 0 comma t equal to 0 degree Celsius. And the first column is 0. So last column is 5. Look at the initial condition. What is the initial condition? It is u of x comma 0 equal to x into 8 minus x. So you have to feed this in the to the calculator. Okay, and use the calculator button. Okay, solve button. And at this place you have to give x equal to what? X equal to 2. 1 alla, 0 alla, 2. So it is 12. Again hit equal to button. Put x equal to 4. 16. And again hit equal button. Put x equal to 6. 12. So using initial condition, you can write. In order to find the remaining blocks, so we need to use the we have two formulas, explicit formula as well as Benders-Smith formula. Okay, so ನಾನು shortcut method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so here what is alpha? So alpha is 1 by 4. 1 by 4, is it not? So you have to make use of this formula, right? So you have to find the value of this block, right? So you have to consider the neighboring blocks, this one and this one. So you have to multiply 1 by 4. You have to multiply 1 by 4 to this value, and you have to multiply 1 by 2 to this value. Okay, alpha, 1 minus 2 alpha and alpha, and add them. That will give you this. Okay, so here we have 0. So what happens here? 1 by 4 into 0, it is 0. Plus 1 by 2 into 12, 6. Plus 1 by 4 into 16, 4. It is 10. And next, for this block, 1 by 4 into this. 1 by 4 into 12, 3. Plus 1 by 2 into 16, 8. Plus 1 by 4 into 12, 3. So it is 14. 1 by 4 into 16 plus 1 by 2 into 6. 1 by 2 into 12, 6. Plus 1 by 4 into 5. What is that? Which is 5 by 4, which is nothing but 11.25. In order to find this value, 1 by 4 into 0, 0. 1 by 2 into 10, 5. And 1 by 4 into 14. Andre 14 by 4. Is it not? 14 by 4. What is that? Which is 17 by 2, which is nothing but 8.5. 1 by 4 into 10. 1 by 4 into 10 by 4. Is it not? 10 by 4 plus and 1 by 2 into 14, that is 7, plus again 11.25 by 4. 11.25 by 4, which is nothing but what? 12 points, which is 3125. Up to 4 digits you have to write it. In order to find this value, again 1 by 4 into 14, and then 14 by 4, okay, plus 11 by 11.25 divided by 2 plus 5 by 4. What is that? Which is 10.3750. So 1 by 4 into 0, 1 by 2 into 8.5 plus 12.3125 divided by 1 by 4 divided by 4, which is 7.3281. Later, again for this value 8.5 into 1 by 4, 8.5 into 1 by 4 plus 12.3125 divided by, sorry, into 1 by 2, and then divided by 2 plus 10.3750 into 1 by 4, that is divided by 4, which is 10.8750. In order to find this value, 1 by 4 into this, so 1 by 4, and 12.3125 by 4 plus what is that? So 10.3750 divided by 2 plus 5 by 4, which is 9.5156. That's it.